Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you for your time watching my video. I am Christy Galaramo, 30 years old. I am the youngest in the family. I have a child, age 10 years old boy. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Are you an ex-abroad?
No, ma'am.
So you have experience before here in the Philippines as a helper? For how long?
2 years.
How many members of the family did you serve?
3 members.
Who are the 3 members?
2 adults, 1
How old the child?
8 years old boy.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
I clean their house. I will go to market. I cook their food. I wash the dishes, and I take care of the child.
Okay. So how do you take care of the child here?
Excuse me.
How do you take care of him?
I feed him. I cook for him. I feed him, and I will give him milk when he needs it.
Okay, who sent or fetched him from school?
Me.
So you also. Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong now?
I want to give my child a better life. I want to give my family better life.
Okay, your day off in Hong Kong will not be Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. Is that okay for you?
It's okay.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as I can.
So how about your employer still needs you? You will still work with them?
Yes.
Will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
Yes.
Okay, and if you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will make myself busy doing household chores.
Okay, and are you willing to accept job order with grandparents in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to take care of you, and I will do my best to be your best help. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 200.